Hi everyone, my name is Oroma Reynolds. I am the founder and owner of a special education law firm called MSR Legal and Consulting Services. We are primarily based in New York, out of Queens County and Nassau County, Long Island, but we provide legal representation throughout the state. I am committed to providing information to the public regarding educational policy developments, particularly in the light of the COVID-19 pandemic. And I like to provide information with an eye towards special needs parents, so families with children with special needs or with diagnosed disabilities, and how the developments in education policy affect those families and the rights of their children to an appropriate education. So when the pandemic started, I actually started blogging as a special needs attorney and special needs parent, and on my website, which you see here, www.msrlegal.org, is my blog. So there are well over 100 blog posts about varying topics in special education or education in general as related to special needs parents. And I'm going to draw your attention to the most recent blog post. I blogged today about preparing for your child's transition to the next chapter in their educational career or post-secondary, meaning beyond high school life. So I do want to draw everyone's attention to the fact that we are in May right now, so we are beginning the fourth quarter marking period. We probably have about 8 weeks left or so of school, for especially here in New York, where we're on a July to June schedule, academic calendar. And I really want to encourage families, especially those with children who have special needs, to be proactive about planning for their child's future, the immediate future, meaning, what happens in September, or for those families with children who are transitioning out of secondary school or high school. What does life look like in July? So I pose questions, food for thought for families. Does your child's IEP need to be tweaked? Does your child need additional services over the summer to be prepared and prevent regression over the summer? Are you connected with the right healthcare professionals who can help you with educational planning and career planning for your child? Does your child require some sort of remediation or compensatory services as a result of the pandemic? So you'll see in this blog post that there are some questions that families should be thinking about and considering as their child is transitioning from one stage to the next chapter. And the goal of my firm, MSR Legal, is to help families in that transition. So whether it's providing full legal representation or perhaps just ongoing consultations and virtual coaching, that's something that I feel is really important to help families think about and plan for the more immediate future. I also posed a question for families, to consider the fact that your child may need to spend more time in their current setting beyond the end of the school year. And that is definitely something that can be discussed to see whether it is an option. So I always end my blog post with a request to follow me on social media. I also have this YouTube page, MSR Legal Oroma, where I am hoping to continue posting every Friday night, no matter how late. And until next Friday, have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for listening.